Good morning, everyone. I'm Gaurav from InCred Equities. Nifty continued to reel under pressure, and there are expectations that we may see a bounce back sort of coming in. But that was not the case, and Nifty closed not only near the low point of the day, but near the low point of the week. With this, Nifty has formed six consecutive full body red candles. Again, that's a very rare instance. It's happened only a couple of times in the last 15 years or so. I continue to reiterate that maximum 1% fall or 2% from here is what one can see, and then we may see a good upside sort of coming in. It is always prudent that we wait for confirmation. When we say that there's not much of a fall, then of course risk takers can buy Nifty keeping a stop loss of 2%. And this 2% coincides with 55 exponential moving average support on weekly charts, which again coincides with 200-day exponential moving average support on daily charts. This is around 24,180 200 spot. So that is 1% from here. So if somebody wants, one can buy, keep a closing based stop loss. If this sustains, we may see 1,200 points upside sort of coming in. Overall, if you look at the daily hourly charts, there is a divergence on 2 hourly charts. There is a positive divergence in RSI, and that is what is instilling some sort of confidence that yes, at the end of the day, prices are falling. People who are buying Nifty, they are getting their stop losses triggered. There's no denying that. But also, the interesting aspect is there is a bullish divergence not only in RSI but also in MACD. So let us see if that holds true or not. And from here, I'm not saying that there's going to be a swift rise, that we had a 1,000 point fall in a month, so there is going to be a 1,000 point rise in a month. That may not happen. We may see some cool off happening in terms of time correction, which can in turn cool MACD on daily charts. That will be again a positive sign. Same goes for Bank Nifty. It's about to retest the breakout area, some couple of percentage more. But if you compare Sensex, Bank Nifty, Nifty, then I think Nifty is one that should be on the radar. US markets closed on a positive note. Gift Nifty is pointing towards 50 points upside as we speak. So in all likelihood, we'll open on a flattish note. Coming back to US, that has been trading in a range. So there was a bounce back from lower levels. But if you look at the charts shared in weekly bulletin, and if you look at the charts individually, it's not S&P 500 at least has not made a fresh lifetime high. It has not retested the breakout retest level earlier, retest level as well. So there's a 3% up and down range that we are seeing in S&P 500, and there's a time correction. Same is the case with Nasdaq. Same is the case with Dow Jones. So there's a time correction over there, which basically means that the price correction at this point in time looks difficult, which in turn can give some push to Nifty index as well. Not much of the sectors looking good. Rather, many of the sectors are looking a little bit weak. Nifty FMG being near the bullish triangle breakdown area. If that happens, we may see pressure sort of building up. Couple of weeks back, it looked as if it will give a breakout. It did not do so, and now it's trading near the lower end of the triangle support. Let us see if that holds or not. Many of the stocks have seen strong correction. Indices might have seen a 3-4% correction, but on the stock side, the correction has been anywhere between 10%, 15%, some are down 20% as well in the most recent times. So that again shows that the correction has far exceeded the move that is being visible in the indices. So let us wait for a confirmation. Risk takers can buy Nifty if there's a maybe 50, 60 points drop sort of coming in. Keep a stop loss of 24,180 closing basis, which is a 200 DMA. But do not be too aggressive. Wait for confirmation. Nifty had seen multiple breakdowns. It is trading below its 55 moving average, 89 moving average. It's given a breakdown from channel breakdown. So there are multiple things that one needs to focus at this point in time. Do not be very aggressive even if you are confident. Start pyramiding. You buy at the current juncture. Once a benchmark is crossed or a milestone is crossed, you add some more. That way, one can add positions, but do not be aggressive buyers at this point in time. Let us wait for confirmation. That will from my side. Thank you.
Investments in securities market are a subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.